Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Now, children, today we are going to do chapter number 14 and chapter number 15 recap. Okay, that is measurement of time and calendar recap. Now, see, children, as you can see on your screen, you can see a calendar. So, we are going to read the calendar and we are going to answer the questions. Okay, I am just going to discuss the answer, children. Here I am not having place to write the answers. So I will be discussing the answer with you. Okay, it's just a recap. Now, what day of the week is February 28? What day of the week is February 28? So where is February 28? Here, children. Okay, and what is the day of the week in February? What day of the week is February 28? It comes on Monday. So you are going to write Monday. Okay, I am not having place, so I am just discussing. I will not be able to write all the answers. Now, what day of the week is February 20? Now, where is 20? 1920 year. Okay, so what day of the week is February 20? It is Sunday. Okay, what date is the second Saturday in February? What date it is asking, children? Always don't get confused in day and date. So it is asking what date is the second Saturday in February. Now the first Saturday is 5 and the second Saturday is 12. So what date it is? It is 12 what? 12 Feb. Okay. You will write full 12 February. Okay. Now, what date is the third Monday in February? What date is the third Monday in February? Now, the first Monday is 7, second Monday is 14 and third is 21. So, what date it is? 21 Feb. Okay. What day of the week is February 14? Now, where is February 14? We have already marked. Wait. Here. On the second Monday. So, what day of the week is February 14? It is on Monday. So, you are going to write Monday. Okay. Again, I am repeating. I am not having place. So, I am writing short form. I am just discussing this topic with you. I am just taking a recap of this topic with you. That's why if I am not able to write here, I have no place to write. Okay. Now, how many Sundays are there in the month of February? Count, children, and tell me how many Sundays. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we will count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many Sundays are there in the month of February? 4. How many days are there in February? See in the calendar, how many days are there? There are 28 days. What is our last date? 28. So, how many days are there in February? There are 28 days. Now, let us move to the next. Now, here we have calendar of March. Okay. The first question is, the electricity bill of Arya is due on the first Friday of March. What is the due date of the bill? Now it is saying the electricity of Arya is due on the first Friday. Now what is the first Friday date? That is the 6th March. So what will be the date of the bill? It will be 6th March. The first due date. The electricity bill of Arya is due on the first Friday. First Friday is 6. Okay. So the due date of the bill will be 6th March. Arya forgot to pay the bill on time. Now she forgot to pay the bill on time. She paid the bill when it was 3 days overdue. When did she pay the bill? Now what was the due date of the bill? It was a first Friday of March, that is 6th March. Okay. Now she forgot to pay the bill on 6th March. So she paid 3 days overdue. So what you are going to do is you are going to add that 6th March. To that 6th March you are going to add that 3 days. So 3 days due will be, after 6 there will be 7, 8 and 9. So the due date, when she paid the bill, she paid on 9th March. Okay, the electricity bill of Arya was due on first Friday of March, that is 6th March, but she forgot to pay that bill on time and she paid the bill when it was 3 days overdue. So when did she pay? She paid on 9th March. Okay. What is the date of the last Monday of March in the given year? What is the date of the last Monday of March in the given year? Now let us see what is the last Monday here. Where is Monday? Here. Okay. So this is the first Monday, this is the second, then the third, then the fourth, and then the last. So what date is coming on the last Monday? That is 30 March. Okay. What is the date of last Monday of March in the given year? It is 30th March. Now the last day is, children, 31st. But it is asking about the last Monday. So we'll write as 30th March. Which day of the week is March 29th? Which day of the week is March 29th? Here is, children, 29. What is the day? Sunday. Which day of the week is March 14th? Which day is we'll see March 14. Which day it is? Saturday. Yes. So Saturday. Okay. How many Wednesdays are there in March? Let us count the Wednesdays. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Wednesdays? 4 Wednesdays. Okay. How many days are there in March? Now here it has asked how many days are there in March. So we'll see the last date. How many days are there in March? 31. So we'll write 31. Okay. There are always 5 Sundays in the month of March. Now here we have 5 Sundays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there are always 5 Sundays in the month of March. It is true or false? It is false, because it is not necessary that in every month of March you will get 5 Sundays. Okay, now next. Now this is the calendar of June 2011. When does Rona get his salary? When does he is getting his salary? See here, on 6th he is getting his salary. That is 6th June. Okay. It is you. Wait, I'll rub again and write. June he is getting his salary. How many Tuesdays are in this month? Let us count the Tuesdays. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 Tuesdays. On which Sunday does Rohan buy a watch? When is Rohan buying a watch? On the which Sunday, children? Date is 12, but which Sunday? 1, 2. That means on 2nd Sunday. Okay. When does Rohan have an appointment with the dentist? Here, appointment with the dentist. So what is the date? That is 29. Wait. 29 June. Okay. How many days are remaining after Father's Day in this month? Now, how many days are remaining? When is the Father's Day? Let us see when is the Father's Day. Here, 19, it is Father's Day. So, how many days are remaining after Father's Day in this month? After Father's Day, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, how many days are remaining after Father's Day in this month? 11. Okay. 1, 2, after 20, after 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, 11 days. Now what is the time on the clock? See, on the first clock it is hour hand is at 5 and minute hand is at 12. So I explain you in the measurement of time session that when it is on 12 it is o'clock. That means it is 5 o'clock. What is the time? The time is 5 o'clock and it is written as 5.00. Now here second one is 9 and 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. Okay, and it will be written as 9.00. Here I am not having placed children in the box, so it may be go outside the box. Okay, so it's just a recap. You don't have to write this. Now the time is in the third one. See, it is hour hand is at 4 and minute hand is at 12. So what time is 4 o'clock, and it is written as 4.00. Now next, the time is, the hour hand is at 1 and minute hand is at 12. So what time is 1 o'clock. Okay, and it is written as 1.00. Okay, and the next fifth one, the hour hand is at 8 and the minute hand is at 12. So our time is 8 o'clock and it is written as 8.00. Understood, children? Now, which is the 6th month of the year? In January, February, you have to count which is the 6th month. January 1, February 2, March 3, April 4, May 5 and June is the 6th month. So we'll circle June. Which is the 12th month of the year? January 1, February 2, March 3, April 4, May 5, June 6. Okay, and July 7, August 8, September 9, October 10, November 11 and December is the 12th month. Okay, which is the 5th day of the week? 5th day, children? Sunday 1, Monday 2, Thursday, Sunday 1, Monday. There are 7 days. Okay, we have to count the 5th days. These are the 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So 5th day of the week is Thursday. Okay, which is the 2nd month of the year? January is the 1st and February is the 2nd month. May Day is celebrated in which month? May Day is celebrated in May month. From year 2013 to 2025, how many leap years are there? Now children, this I taught you how you are going to count the leap year. Leap year comes after every 4 years, and when the number, that particular year is divisible in 4, that only is the leap year. So 2013 is not divisible by 4, it doesn't come in 4 table. 14 is also not divisible by 4. 15 is also not divisible by 4. 2016 is divisible by 4. So we will write 2016 is our 1 year. Okay. Then 17 is not divisible. 18 is not divisible. 19 is not divisible. 20 is divisible. So 2020 will be our 2nd year. 2021 is not divisible. 2022 is not divisible. 2023 is not divisible. 2024 will be divisible. So we will have how many years? 1, 2 and 3 years. So from year 2013 to 2025, how many leap years are there? There are 3 leap years. Okay. From year 2015 to 2021, in how many years? The month of February will have 21 days only. Now children, from 2015, okay, to 2021, In how many years the month of February will have 28 days only? Children, this I am giving you as a homework. Okay, I will discuss the answer in the live session. You calculate, write it and keep it with you. I will discuss this answer with you. Count and tell me. Now I showed you leap year every leap year comes in after every 4 years, and the year which comes as a leap year should be divisible by 4. So now you will count from year 2015 to 21 how many years the month of February will have 28 days only. Children, this is a activity for you. This question is, you will write, you will note and you will tell me how many years the month of February will have 28 days only. This answer we'll discuss in the live session. Okay children, now this is a activity for you where that you are going to do in your notebook, and we are going to discuss the answer in our live session. Okay, you are going to read the clock timing and you are going to write only the timing in the notebook. Okay, just see the clock and write the time in your notebook. Okay, we will discuss the answer in the live session. This is an activity and a homework for you. Okay, so till then children, take care, keep learning. We finish our session of measurement of time and calendar recap. Okay, bye children, take care.